We have a song coming on, Joe.
My name is Ricky Tenacious. I am the best wrestler in Las Vegas. I'll do the wrestles, I'll do the lucha, because I know I am a star. I'll keep raising the bar across the crowded floor. We work from 8 till 4. I am them, I got the mute. Who could ask for more at the Songbird of wrestling? I am the best wrestler here, any ringing. I'm the Songbird of wrestling. Music and passion were always the fashion at the Songbird. I'll hear your applause.